Hi, I'm Leah. I'm a textile artist and a costume maker working on Gadigal country, and my mission is to reduce textile waste. Today I'll be showing you how to upcycle some common household items into new things, because textiles never need to end up in the bin. I'll show you how to refresh a stained shirt, how to make a pillowcase from an old t-shirt, and how to upcycle socks into lavender heat packs. Have you tried everything you can think of to remove a stain from your favourite shirt and it just won't budge? Don't give up. It's the perfect opportunity to add more colour into your wardrobe. Here's what you'll need. Drive you crazy when you lose one of the pair? Where do all those odd socks go? Here's a way to use it so that it doesn't end up in the bin. Here's what you'll need. If you're no longer wearing it but you love the print or colour, here's a quick and easy way to turn it into a pillowcase that you can snuggle for years to come. Here's what you'll need. If you think something's ready for the bin, consider giving it a transformation. It might just be the start of its new life.